ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು, ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು, ದೇವರುಗಳು, ದೇವರ ಅಂಶ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ an embodiment of God. You don't believe it? Meditate. You put your calculator. You must be hypnotizing me. A lot of people do that in the initial stage. When somebody first time they come, no, close your eyes, they will feel like this. Hypnotizing you. This is the state of, master like Patanjali comes in teaching meditation, that itself is a great opportunity for you to meditate, but they will be seeing like this. So this is our logical mind. Our logical mind makes you limited. ತರ್ಕಬದ್ಧವಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಾವಿ ಕಪ್ಪೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. That logical mind has made you a king of a frog, king of a well, king frog. Sorry, you are a leader for some small frogs in a well. That's all. That is called as 30-40 house and a 40-60 house. Maybe an apartment, maybe a bungalow, maybe a Jani. So they are called as 30-40, 40-60 wells. In Bangalore we have lakhs of 30-40, 40-60. 40-80 is also there. 50-80. 50-80, 30-40, 40-60 wells we have in Bangalore. I'll show you. Lakhs. There is a king frog or a queen frog. I think that is the life. Friends, today I don't have a father, I have a mother. My wife is an architect who has designed this valley. He got a Asia Pacific Award thanks to Patriji. And I have 2 kids. So I start thinking that they are my only life. Do you think that these thousands of people all over the world, like Anirudh, would have become my friends? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. You have to move out. You have to move out of your comfort zones. Unless you move out of your comfort zone. So what it is said is, even you also need a push. Okay. What is that push? Spiritual push or a motivation. Okay. In gross language we talk motivation. Personality development. I'm sorry, don't develop your personality. Don't develop your personality. Remove your personality. Okay. Develop the character. Okay. Persona means I am from a school of personality development. Hardcore. Learn public speaking. ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. I have learned how to speak. Public speaking 15 ವರ್ಷ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖವಾಡಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಾಕದೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Are you ready to remove your mask? You are not. You are posing. You are something else. Can you remove those masks? Can you become simple? ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಜ ಸ್ವರೂಪಗಳನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ? ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸತ್ಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಸಾಂಗತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯುಮಿಲಿಟಿ, 25 years is a very long time. ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಯ. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಅನುಭವ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. At the age of 23, 24 I started. Now I am 50. I don't know, like 50. I celebrated my birthday. Okay? It's a very long time. Very tough path. Really. So everybody gets a guru in their life. Arjunaniಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಅರ್ಜುನನಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಗುರುವಾಗಿ? Krishna pushed Arjuna. Let us take it, okay? Chandragupta got whom? ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು ಚಂದ್ರಗುಪ್ತ? ಆಂಜನೇಯ, ಮಾರುತಿ. ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಯಾರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು? ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. For us, all of us, including me, okay? So these are all the people. ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರು. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಪರಮಹಂಸರ ಬಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಗೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರಮಹಂಸರು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. He didn't know other than Bengali. He was not an educated man. Okay, Vivekananda became the mouthpiece of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He opened the center all over the world. For information, the Ramakrishna Mutt in New York is one of the biggest mutt. Okay, not now, 100 years back. Okay, here began to Vivekananda. Who pushed them? In the form of gurus. So friends, like this, we get many opportunity to get this. But we are blissfully ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಝೀರೋ ಟು ಹೀರೋ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಾಗ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಝೀರೋ ಟು ಹೀರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗಿದ್ದವರು ಹೀರೋಗಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಝೀರೋ ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹೀರೋ ಆರ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್. Okay, and they think that they are born as heroes and heroines. In fact, they are not. They are born as heroes. ಶೂನ್ಯತ್ವದಿಂದ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಾಧನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 30, 40, 60 ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತಸ್ತು FD ಪದವಿ ಪಟ್ಟ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಪಟ್ಟ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಸರಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಚೇರ್ವರೆಗೂ. Just think, after they get the chair, what happens? They fall. They fall from the grave. Why? Lack of spiritual values, lack of a guru, lack of a guide. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಅನಾರ್ಕಿ. Hitler didn't have a guide. Okay, that's why he became a demon. Veerappan didn't have a guide. That's why he is known for a great damager. Okay. You just think they would have had one spiritual guide, what would have happened? And Angulimala got converted because of whom? Valmiki got converted because of whom? Narada. In everybody's life, you will come across somebody or another. But you are blissfully unaware. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಥ, ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮೈ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಇನ್ 15 years. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಮುಳುಗೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು